皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。前回のレッスンビデオはどうでしたか？ How was the previous lesson video? Did you learn counters? So this lesson, I will also introduce the counter part 2. You will learn how to count the long item, machine, and flat objects. So I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos. So if you'd like to develop your learning habits and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So we will learn the counting for long objects. So there are many long objects. For example, pen is long object. Anything long shape, we will use it for home. Okay. So then let's start counting. Repeat after me. 1本、2本、3本. So this one changed to 棒3. 4本、5本、6本、7本、8本. So as you can see, 1, 6, 8, as always, pattern smooth. And 9 is 9本, 10 is 10本. Then if you want to ask 何本. Okay, so the orange one is a special pronunciation. 10本、9本、10本. Okay, so that's the long object. 例えば、those who can't read hiragana, you can look at this slide. 例えば、これね、we call 色鉛筆。鉛筆 is a pencil. 色鉛筆 means color pencil. 1本、2本、3本、4本。1本、2本、3本、4本、5本、6本、7本だね。7本、色鉛筆があります。これは木。木 is also long shape, so we use 1本、2本。本 is counter. これは何ですか？ Do you know this one? We call it 焼き鳥ね。焼き鳥 does food. 1本、2本、3本、4本ね。4本。Then bottle. Something pet bottle or wine bottle. Bottle is also, it's a shape long, so we count. Use bone. So カルピス is a type of juice. Like it's written in カタカナ、カルピス。Then 3本ね。1、2、3本。はい。で、ワインもね、カウンター for 3本ね。例えば、let's use the counter in the sentence. ワインが、so ワインが topic. So then, I use a ga to emphasize wine. ワインは is okay as well, but the ga sounds more natural when you use with ありますば。ワインが3本、テーブルの上。So, にあります。テーブルの上。上 is a vocabulary for on the table ね。on the. Then あります is a there is. あります is a polite form. ある is a short form. So if it's polite way, you can use あります。If you're talking to friends, casual way, you can just simply use ある。Let's practice. Repeat after me. ワインが3本テーブルの上にあります。or ワインが3本テーブルの上にある。So 3 is pronunciation 本ね。本。3本。So those who can't read, you can read wine. Wine is same as wine in English. It's written in katakana. Okay, so let's go through again pronunciation. Repeat after me. This time a little bit faster. Repeat after me. 1本、2本、3本、4本、5本、6本、7本、8本、9本、10本、何本。So that's the bone. Next is a die. Die is something machine or equipment we will use it to die. The size doesn't matter. Can be big, like such as a truck or maybe small, like a mobile phone is small. You can use it. It's still equipment, die. So die is basic, very simple. Number plus die, not special. Like a one is 1台、1、2台、3台、4台、5台、6台、7台、8台、9台、10台。で、何台 is counting for how many? So this one is straightforward. Number. So once you learn the number, how to count 1 to 10, then you will add dai. Then kanji with like this is a kind or kanji for dai counter. ひらがな読めない方はこれを読んでください。例えば、自転車が1台あります。Repeat after me. 自転車が1台あります。There is a one bicycle there. ラップトップ。ラップトップが1台あります。phone。携帯電話が1台テーブルの上にあります。まあ、if it's just one, maybe you don't need to mention 1台, but just as a practice, 1台。So like many machine things we use die, car, printer. ね。Let's see example sentences. お父さんは車を2台持っています。So I use the die for here, two. 車、わかりますか？車 is a car. 持っています means own. 手 form own something I have 持っています。If it's short casual form, 持つ you can use 持つ。or 持っている。So that's the counter for equipments. Let's pronounce together. Repeat after me. 1台、2台、3台、4台、5台、6台、7台、8台、9台、10台。で、何台 the how many. The last one is a flat object. Things are flat, like such as a piece of paper flat, and or like a bookmark flat. So it's a flat item. So the flat object is also straightforward as a die. So I just quickly go through here. So as you can see, it's just a simply number plus 枚. Okay, repeat after me. 1枚、2枚、3枚、4枚、5枚、6枚、7枚、8枚、9枚、10枚。Then you have 何枚。ひらがな読めない人はこれローマ字を見てください。If you can't read ひらがな, please look at this Romanji version. 例えばね、バスタオル。In Japanese, we say バスタオル。バスタオル in カタカナ。So, バスタオルもね、if you open it, it's a flat shape, so we call it the mai. Then, or shirt, mai. It's a flat. T-shirts, a tissue, pizza, if it's a flat, so 1枚. Maybe piece of, like a, pizza when you slice it, like この三角、rectangle. It's also 1枚ね。あとは、例えば、ピザを3枚注文しました。注文しました is 注文する means ordered. I ordered 3 pizzas. Then しました is past tense. In formal way, you can use just した。 Okay? Repeat after me. ピザを3枚注文しました。or ピザを3枚注文した。So that's the flat object we will go through. So mine is not so difficult. It's simply number plus mine. So that's for today. Count is a big topic, so I just picked the three. But along the way, time to time, I introduce more other things. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps. もしもっと学びたかったら私のオンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to learn and if you'd like to enhance your learning or have more questions, please consider to enroll in my online courses and then you can ask questions related to Japanese. I'll see you in the next video. それではまた次のレッスンでお会いしましょう。さようなら。